A little update video here for you, William. As you can see, that's on. We got it back a little bit ago. See, it looks pretty good. It looks like that white did a great job matching that color. As you can see, the little lip and all. I'll throw your fuel cap back on. I gotta put the little retainer ring or whatever you want to call it on. And we have your front lip here, splitter, lip, spoiler, front split, whatever you want to call it. That looks pretty good too. Obviously the same color. So I'll throw that back on down there. And yeah, doing pretty good. Final video here. That looks really good, I must say. The white matches perfectly. They did a great job color matching that. It looks really good. I wasn't too sure about it, but now that it's actually on the car, I think it looks awesome. So, good job there.